when you're looking at an identity like number 9, both sides look equally confusing. I'm going to start on the left side because on the left side I've got my sum and difference, and on the right side I don't. And that's going to help me, in my opinion, that's probably going to help me solve this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the left side here, and I'm going to write out what these two formulas are. So on the top, I have the sine of alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sine beta. On the bottom, the denominator, I have sine alpha cosine beta minus cosine alpha sine beta. Now I can't, so don't do this. You can't like cancel this sign right here with this sign because there's addition or subtraction between terms. What I can do is I can divide everything by a value so that I get this stuff over here on the right. So here's what I'm looking for. And so my next thought, this is step 1. Step 2 is the next thought, is I need tangent alpha. So what am I going to divide by? Well, if I need tangent alpha, I for sure have to divide by a cosine alpha. So that will get this guy over cosine alpha will be tangent alpha. But I also need this guy to disappear. So what I'm going to divide everything by, so divide by, so the entire thing, I'm going to divide by cosine alpha cosine beta. How I got that was I knew this guy right here had to be equal to this guy right here. So I asked myself, well, what could I divide this guy down here by to get this guy up here? And that's this value. So I'll write the whole thing out, although you could probably do this in your head. So, but I suppose you actually have to show, you should show this out, because otherwise you don't have another step. It's just kind of time consuming writing all this out. So what drops out? Well, these guys go away, these guys go away, these guys go away, and these guys go away. So all that you're left with here, this is tangent alpha. Here, this is tangent beta, and I had plus in between, so that's where this plus came from. And down here I've got minus in between, so there's going to be a minus down there. So this is going to be, this guy here is tangent alpha. And this guy here is tangent beta. And that's what I was trying to prove.